It's been kind of a lame day today. Just rain and rain and more rain. And got a little package here. York, Pennsylvania. That's the best packaging I've ever seen, but honestly, as long as the hood ornament isn't broken off, I will be happy. As long as it's in decent shape. And oh, there we go. And that's fine. Hood ornament is fine. Nice. Again, this is another repeat that I'll be bringing to my parents' house because it's one of the ones that is close. It's a close representation of what my grandfather would have had. 1930s Mercedes truck. So that stake bed situation comes out. That's cool. Just kind of snaps back in. Looks like. There we go.